Learn how to select and place multiple files in Illustrator. Do you find it difficult to place multiple files into your Illustrator document? The Place option helps you bring files into your existing artwork from the files saved on your computer or Creative Cloud documents. You can link or embed the selected files and place them in a document. Select and place multiple files. You can select files from your computer or Creative Cloud and place them in an Illustrator document. Follow these steps to select and place multiple files. Do any one of the following. To select files from your computer, choose File Place. To select files from Creative Cloud, choose File Place Open Cloud Document. Hold Ctrl, Windows, or CMD, macOS, and click to select multiple files. To link your artwork, select Link. To check the import settings of the selected files, select Show Import Options. Click Place. A display of the selected files is available. Use the left and right arrow keys to navigate and the ESC key to delete an unwanted file. Follow any of the steps given below to place your selected files. Click anywhere on the artboard to place the files in their original dimensions. Drag the cursor on the artboard to create a shape. The image fits into the shape automatically. Please like and subscribe ITMaster channel.